Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm sharing the trending Amla candy. That's sweet, tangy, and perfect for daily snacking. Start with 500 grams Amla. Wash well. Amla is also called Indian gooseberry. It contains more vitamin C than oranges. Now place in a strainer and steam for 15 to 18 minutes. Always steam Amla instead of boiling for better flavor. Let it cool completely. Then remove the seeds. Amla candy is popular in Ayurvedic diets. It is trending as a natural immunity booster snack. Now take 500 gram palm sugar or regular sugar. Blend it into a fine powder and keep aside. Now put the boiled amla in a blender with 1 teaspoon ginger. And 1/4 cup powdered palm sugar. Blend into a smooth paste. Transfer this to a frying pan. Add half teaspoon black salt, half teaspoon salt. Cook on medium heat. Stirring continuously. Stir continuously to avoid sticking. Now add the remaining powdered sugar slowly. Now mix 2 tablespoon water with 2 tablespoon corn flour. Add to the pan and keep stirring. Add corn flour slowly to control thickness. Cook until the mixture thickens. Add 1 teaspoon ghee. And cook until it's separate from the pan. Grease a 6-inch mold. Place baking paper and pour the mixture. Let it cool for 1 hour. Now cut into pieces. Amla boosts immunity naturally. It improves digestion and metabolism. Palm sugar is better than refined sugar. This candy is great for daily vitamin C intake. And coat with powdered sugar. Your trending Amla candy is ready. Chewy, sweet and perfectly tangy for healthy snacking. Do you like Amla sweet or sour? Like the video, follow and subscribe for more healthy homemade recipes.